Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, theys and thems. Welcome back to my channel. The rules about flying your drone are kind of muddy, and I've been doing a lot of research and trying to figure out what to do, but from what I've figured out, this is what you're supposed to do. So the first thing you have to do is register your drone with the FAA. The registration costs $5 for 3 years, and you get a cute little certificate. So this is my certificate. There's also licenses that you can get. You can get a pilot's license to be able to fly your drone, make money as a pilot of an unmanned aircraft, which I also would like to do, but I just don't have the time to do that right now. I have a lot of stuff going on, and one thing at a time, people. One thing at a time. The thing that you're supposed to do next, you take the certificate number and you put that on your drone. Now, a lot of people like to put their name and maybe a phone number and then their certificate number in case the drone gets lost and someone finds it. Then they can return it to you. My drone footage is very beginner level. I'm still learning how to do it. Please enjoy this drone footage. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and like. I'll have more short films and film related content coming in the future. I upload every Sunday, so please come back because I'll be looking for you. All right, bye. See you in the next one.